Did you know that a huge percentage of a newborn's fussiness isn't because they are hungry or tired, but simply because they have a bubble of air trapped in their tummy? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are mastering the art of the burp. It sounds simple, right? But for new parents, figuring out exactly how to hold a floppy newborn and get that air out without causing a spit-up mess can be surprisingly tricky. In this comprehensive guide, we are going to cover the 3 gold standard techniques for burping. We will discuss why babies need it and what to do if they refuse. We will also cover safety tips to protect that fragile little neck. Let's get started. First, why do babies need to be burped when adults don't? When babies drink, they tend to gulp air along with their milk. Inside the stomach, air is lighter than milk. It rises to the top. If that air stays trapped, it creates pressure and bloating. Bottle-fed babies often swallow more air due to faster flow, but all babies need to be burped to feel comfortable and settle down. Before we try the techniques, you need the right setup. Rule number 1. Always protect your clothes. This will save you from doing laundry 5 times a day. Let's start with the most popular method, the over-the-shoulder hold. Place the cloth on your shoulder and gently lift your baby. Their chin should be resting on your shoulder. Important, make sure their tummy is pressed against your chest or shoulder bone. This pressure helps. Support their bottom with one hand. With your other hand, gently pat their back. Pro tip, cup your hands slightly. It's gentler and creates vibration. Safety check, ensure your baby's nose and mouth are not blocked. They should be able to breathe freely. Rub in circles if patting doesn't work. If the shoulder method isn't working, try the sitting on the lap method. Sit the baby on your lap, facing sideways. Support the chest and chin. Warning: be very careful not to put pressure on the throat. Make a C shape with your thumb and index finger. Cradle the jawbone. Lean the baby slightly forward to put pressure on the tummy. Pat or rub the back. Many find this method works fastest. The third method is great for stubborn gas, laying across the knees. Lay your baby face down across your thighs. Tummy on one leg, head on the other. Make sure the head is turned to the side so they can breathe. Rub or pat the back. Gravity and leg pressure force the air out quickly. So, you've tried all 3 and no burp. First, don't stress. Not every feed results in a burp. If they seem content after 5 minutes, it's okay to put them down. If they seem uncomfortable, try bicycling their legs. This helps move gas down to the intestines. Gas at the bottom is just as good as gas at the top. Every baby is different. Experiment with these 3 techniques. Remember, you are learning just as much as they are. Be patient with yourself. If this helped, hit that like button. Join us tomorrow for day 5 of our 100-day challenge, Tummy Time, Why It's Important. See you then.